This is the castle of Trakai. What's that, €4 for the tour or for the ice cream?
I have some story now about it. It's many locals use the stone from the castle to build like oven, you know, some house. Because there are no stone here. So they just go there and get stones. And later Soviets rebuilt it.
It's the Soviets who did it.
And Polish started to rebuild.
Look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I state, I'm a pretty boss, look almost your brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you back. Ooh.
Can you say, what is that? Karalishkas. Karalishkas. What does it mean?
Port.
Port hostas? What?
Port.
And Karalishkas means?
Royal port.
Royal port. No English really. Oh, your flag.
My flag.
Already about the coat of arms of Lithuania. Coat of arms. The horse. Okay, we're not going inside. Nothing much to see. I've seen it on YouTube. What was it? How do you say? Trakai or Trakai? Huh?
Trakai.
Trakai. Looks like it's part of the old and this is new. If they don't rebuild, there's nothing to show the people because nothing much is left here anyway, right?
Just stones.
But they had the picture, I mean, artworks, and looks like it's not safe. Huh? So don't go there. Oh, it's falling apart. That's why, look, it's already falling apart. So this place is secured. Don't come here. See, that one has to be fixed. For a person.
Would you like to go for a boat?
Yeah, later. Oh yeah, that would be great. Yeah.
Please do not leave wild waterfowl.
What?
It harms them.
Please do not feed wild waterfowl. You're feeding harms. What? You're feeding harms them. Don't feed the waterfowls. Don't feed the duck. Love. Why they're asking you why? What you ask? What you ask?
I said, do you want to swim? Go on a boat? I said, no. Why?
Because
we're going home.
Well, it's kind of like rude to ask.
I know.
They want
Why?
They want money.
Why you don't like?
You want to push.
Why you don't like? Because I don't like your
It's like they're entitled to
like
your money.
You're forced to. Because why you don't want? Why it's free?
Let's call the police.
No, you're gonna say.
But you can answer. We have also answer.
Yeah.
You say, Kodel, you can answer.
Yeah. Why you asking?
Why?
It's
You
my
say,
personal reason.
Because. You can answer like this.
Oh.
Just say because. And
Because I don't
answer.
like your face.
Yeah, you just say because. That's it.
Because. What he said, invite you to tour what?
Yeah.
Using this one.
Yeah.
Oh, this is better. It's like privat. How much is that?
I don't know. I already walked away.
It's yacht. It's a yacht. No, but he said I invite you to use bike. Bike, he said. This bike, I think water bike. A lot of people, I don't like it. It's weekend, it's Saturday. Lørdag. Lørdag I dag. Let's see what they have up here. There's a lot of people.
Look how many insects.
What is that?
What do you call this insect, Bongo? You've seen these many times. No?
They are invaders.
Oh, if they're invaders, can I kill them?
Yeah.
I'm not evil.
Who?
Vytautas.
Vytautas.
Who's Victor? Who's
They're
Victor?
rich.
Who's it?
Look. Okay.
He's like a duke, almost like a king. We had fun making this video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe. See you around. Till next time. Sveiki visi lietuviai, žiūrintys šį video. Prašau jūsų prisinumeruoti. Ačiū.